Halloween is near. Time for a trick or treat. Get ready for another Bitget spin with juicy reward as usual. In this event you will be finding all the surprise to brighten your crypto journey. So without further ado, watch till the end, follow all the guides. Before we are getting to the details of the event, I must remind you that the event will run from October 18th to October 31st, as this also be timeline for Halloween event. Get in and be one of the winner. There are several methods here to win you a chance for spin. You can do the steps and be the one to get the giant pumpkin. Are you ready? Here is some details. The easiest one is to just join the promotion, but that is not all. There are more steps to increase your chance to get one of the grand prize, which is the 1 BTC prize. A heart-beating one indeed. Alright then, let's jump on. The first one is by doing a KYC to your account. During the promotion period, KYC verification level 1 can be done. The KYC country/region must be Australia/Canada/Ireland/New Zealand/United Kingdom. The next one is by depositing some amount of USD, or minimum 100 USDT, to get another chance to even win bigger prizes. During the promotion period, the net deposit must be over 100 USDT. Deposit must be made via bank deposit/P2P/third-party/on-chain deposit. Before the promotion starts, the user must never deposited via this method before. Another method is by depositing but with GBP for UK users, so UK users will also be eligible for this chance. Also during the promotion period, get a total trading volume of over 100 USDT. Before the promotion starts, the user has not made any trades, so it is more specific for new users. And lastly, during the promotion period, subscribe over 100 USDT to an earn product, which is savings or shark fin. In case you're unsure about how to sign up and take part in this occasion, the following brief guide will assist you. Sign up or sign in on Bitget's webpage. Select the desired cryptocurrency from the Buy Crypto option in the upper left corner to make a deposit. Take part in the assignments. Don't pass up this fantastic chance to use Bitget to launch your cryptocurrency adventure. Get going on finishing assignments to improve your chances of winning right now. Keep in mind that your chances of earning these amazing prizes increase with the number of activities you complete. Await the excitement of cryptocurrency. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.